Hello everyone, welcome to Seldom Media classes, and today we are starting class 8 mathematics chapter cubes and cube roots. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with a fun fact about a number that is called Hardy-Ramanujan number. What is Hardy-Ramanujan number? This number is 1729. Why it is called Hardy-Ramanujan number? Because one day great mathematician G.H. Hardy met to Indian great mathematician Ramanujam. He came to meet him in a taxi whose number is 1729. G.H. Hardy said that this number is very boring. But Ramanujam said, no, it's not boring. It is the only number that can be expressed as sum of two perfect cubes. One is 1728 plus 1, that is 12 cube plus 1 cube, and second is 1000 plus 729, that is 10 cube plus 9 cube. So from that day, this number is called Hardy-Ramanujan number. Okay. Now let's start our studies and starting with the name of the chapter. What is a cube? Multiplying a number by itself 3 times is called cubing. For example, 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Why it is called cube? It is called cube because we know a solid shape cube, right? How we calculate its volume? We calculate its volume by multiplying its sides. V equals to side multiplied by side multiplied by side, and sides of cube are equal, so it can be written as side cube. Okay, so multiplying a number itself by 3 times is called cube. Okay, now how many small cubes are there in this cube? Okay, let's suppose the small cube is of 1 centimeter. The small cube is of 1 centimeter side. Now, to make a cube with 3 centimeter side, how many cubes I will need? Let's count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and layers of 9 cubes 3 times. So 9 into 3 gives me 27. Okay, 9 into 3, layer of 9 cubes 3 times, that is 9 into 3 gives me 27. So to make a cube of 3 centimeter side, I will need 27 1 centimeter side cubes. Correct? So how I get this number 27? To get this number 27, I have to multiply 3 times. Correct? That is the volume of the cube that is shown in the picture. So 27 is the special number, okay, that makes a perfect cube. If I take 9 cubes, can I be able to make a cube? If only 9 cubes are there, it will be a cuboid. Okay, its sides will be not equal. Its side will not be equal. Okay, so to make a perfect cube, I will need a special number of cubes, that is 27. That can be obtained by multiplying the required number of sides 3 times. So cubes are some special numbers that makes a perfect cube shape. Okay. Now moving to our next topic, that is cube of numbers 1 to 10. Okay, when we cube 1, we get 1. When we cube 2, we get 8. When we cube 3, we get 27. When we cube 4, we get 64. When we cube 5, 125, and so on. The important thing to note in this is the cube of 2 is ending with 8 and cube of 8 is ending with 2. Okay, and cube of 3 is ending with 7 and cube of 7 is ending with 3, and all the other numbers ends with the same number. Okay, 1 cube ends with 1, 4 cube ends with 4, 5 cube ends with 5, 6 cube ends with 6, 8 cube, oh sorry, 9 cube ends with 9, and 10 cube ends with 0, that is 0. Okay, now what are the observations from the table? What are the observations from the table? Cube of even number is cube and cube of odd number is always odd. Okay. Now, can you find the ones digit number of this number? When we cube 1331, can you find the unit place digit? Just by looking at this. You can do this. Just take what is the unit place digit of this number. Okay. Cube it. We cube 1. We get 1. So this is the ones place digit. क्या करना है आपको? इसकी वंस प्लेस डिजिट को लेना है, उसको क्यूब करो, उसकी जो वंस प्लेस डिजिट आए वही आपका आंसर होगा. ओके, ये एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. जैसे इस नंबर में वंस प्लेस डिजिट है 8. 8 का क्यूब क्या होता है? 512. तो आंसर विल बी 2. ओके, अब इसको देखें. इसमें है वंस प्लेस पे 9. 9 का क्यूब क्या होता है? 729. ओके, तो आंसर विल बी 9. जो क्यूब की वंस प्लेस डिजिट है वही हमारा आंसर है. ओके, अब यहाँ पे वंस प्लेस डिजिट लो. 2 उसका क्यूब किया 8. सो आंसर इज 8. नाउ इसकी वंस प्लेस डिजिट है 5. 5 का क्यूब किया 125. तो हमारा आंसर हो गया 5. ओके, नाउ सम इंटरेस्टिंग पैटर्न्स. ये जो पैटर्न्स मैं आपको अभी बता रही हूँ, दे आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर ओलंपियाड्स और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. यू शुड ट्राई टू रिमेंबर देम. ओके, adding consecutive odd numbers. Okay, 1 equals to 1 is equals to 1 cube. Okay, now adding the next consecutive odd numbers. 3 plus 5 gives us 8. 8 is cube of 2. Now adding 3 consecutive number, next 3 consecutive numbers 7, 9 and 11 gives us 27. That is 3 cube. Adding next 4 consecutive odd numbers will give us 64. That is 4 cube. Okay. Now if I start with 21 and add next 5 consecutive numbers, I will get 125. That is 5 cube. Okay. So this is an interesting pattern. Okay. Try to remember it. Next interesting pattern is n cube minus n minus 1 cube is equals to 1 plus n into n minus 1 into 3. Okay, it is very easy to remember, and if a question comes like this, you can easily write the answer as 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3 again. That is 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18, 1 plus 18, 19. You can solve this but just by looking at it. Okay, 4 cube minus 3 cube is 1 plus 4 into 3 into 3 again. That is 1 plus 36 gives us 37. Okay, so this is an interesting pattern to remember. Okay, now cubes and their prime factors. How we calculate prime factors? Let's start with 64. 64 we write like this. Yeah. Now taking the smallest prime number, that is 2, dividing it by it, 32, again 2, 16, again 2, 8, again 2, 2, 4, again 2, and we get 1. We have to do it until we get 1. Now we can write 64 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 6 times. Observe this. 3 times, again 3 times. 2 appears 6 times in groups of 3 3. Right? Now see 216. Again starting with the smallest number, 108. 2 again, 54. 2 again, 27. 3 now, 9, again 3, and 1. Okay, so 216 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 and 3. Each prime factor appears 3 times. Same with 3375. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, 1728, it's 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 2 3 times, again 3 times, and 3 3 times. In this way, we will do the prime factors. All these numbers are perfect cubes, and we do their prime factorization, and we observe that each prime factors appears 3 times. Each prime factors appear 3 times. So this is important things to note, that in a perfect cube, each prime factor will appear 3 times. Now check whether a number is perfect cube or not. Now if we do the factorization of 7 to 9 and all the prime numbers appear in groups of 3, then this number is a perfect cube. Okay, we can say that, right? Now let's do it. 7 to 9. Starting, it's an odd number, so starting with 3, 2, 4, and 2, 4, 3. Again 3, 81. Again 3, 2, 7. Again 3. 9, again 3, and 1. Okay, so 7 to 9 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. Now each prime number appears in groups of 3 or multiple of 3. Here 3 appears 6 times, multiple of which is multiple of 3. So 7 to 9 is perfect cube. Correct? Chalo. Moving to next example, 243. 243. इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स करते हैं. Starting with 3, 81, 3, 9, 27, again 3, 9, again 3, again 3, 1. So here 3 appears 5 times. Okay. These 3 will make a group. Here we have only 2. So it is not a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Okay, moving to our next example, 9000. Doing its prime factorization, starting with 2, 4, 5, 0, 0, again 2, 2, 2, 5, 0, again 2, 1, 1, 2, 5. Correct? Now 5, 2, 2, 5, again 5, 4, 5, again 5, 9, and 3 into 3. So what we get is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3. Okay, 2 appears 3 times, 5 appears 3 times, but 3 appears only 2 times. So, not perfect. Okay. Now moving to our next example, it is 10648. 10648. Doing the prime factorization again, 5, 3, 2, 4. Again 2, 2, 6, 6, 2. Again 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, 11 here. 11. So 1, 23. So 2 and again 1, 121. Again 11, 11, 11 and 1. So what are the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 2 and 11 into 11 into 11. So 11 is 3 times 2 is 3 times 2, 2 into 11. So it's a perfect cube. Okay. Now smallest multiple, that is a perfect cube. In this topic, we will study how to make a number perfect cube. Okay. How many cuboids will be needed to make a cube? And what number should be multiplied or divided to make a number perfect cube? Okay. Now some examples in which we will discuss what number should be multiplied to make a number perfect cube. For example, we have 243. We have done its prime factorization. It is 81, again 3, 27, again 3, 9, again 3, and 1. So here we have 3, 5 times. Okay. Now it's not a perfect cube because we are having only one group of 3, that is appearing 3 times. Okay, so if we multiply this number one more time by 3, it will make a perfect cube. So if we multiply 243 by 3, it will be a perfect cube. Okay, so the answer is 3. Now 256. For 256, let's do its prime factorization, starting with smallest number 2, 1, 2, 8, again to 64, again to 32, again to 16, again to 8, again to 4, again to 2, again to 1. Okay, so here 2 appears, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, here 2 appears 8 times. So making groups of 3. These are perfect group of 3. But here we have only two twos. Okay, only 2 times. Okay, if we multiply this number again by 2, it will be a perfect cube. So when we multiply 256 by 2, it will be a perfect cube. So answer is 2. What will happen when we multiply 256 with 2? We will get 512, that is per cube of 8. Okay. Now moving to our next example, 46656. Okay. 46656, doing its prime factorization, 2, 3, 3, 2, 8, again 2, 1, 1, 6, 6, 4, again 2, 5, 8, 3, 2, again 2, 2, 9, 1, 6, again 2, 1, 4, 5, 8, again 2, 7, 2, 9. Now 7 to 9 is 3, 2, 4, 3, again 3, 8, 1, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, again 3, 1. Let's count them from here only. 3, 3, 3, and 3. So it's a perfect cube. It's already a perfect cube. So we don't need to multiply anything to this number. Okay, this is the perfect cube of 9 into 4, 36. Okay, this is the perfect cube of 36. Now, number to be divided to make the number perfect cube. To make 81, let's start doing its prime factorization. 27, 3, 9, 3, again 3, and 1. Here we have 3, 4 times. Okay, these 3 are making a perfect group. Okay, this is extra. So we have to divide 81 by 3 to get a perfect cube. So the answer is 3. Now 128, doing its prime factorization, 2, 64, again 2, 32, again 2, 16, 2 again, 8, 2 again, 4, 2 again, 2, and 2 one more time to get 1. So here we have 2, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. Okay. Here we are having 2, 7 times. So these three are making a group. These three are making a group. This is extra. So when I divide 128 by 2, I will get a perfect cube. So answer is 2. Okay. With 704. Again doing it, prime factorization, 3, 5, 2, 2 again, 1, 7, 6, 2 again, 8, 8, 2 again, 44, 2 again, 22, 2 again, 11 and 11 is 1. So here we have 2 6 times and 11 one time. These three are making a perfect group. These three are making a perfect group. This is extra. So when we divide 704 by 11, I will get 704 by 11 is 64. So 64 is perfect cube of 4, right? So the answer is 11. Okay. Moving to our next example. Parikshit makes a cube of plasticine of sides 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. How many such cuboids are needed to make a perfect cube? Okay. Now we have a cube of volume. We have a cuboid of volume. Cuboid of volume 5 into 2 into 5 centimeter cube. Okay. Now to make it a perfect cube, what we will need? We will need two more times and 5 one more time. Correct? That will make a group. Okay. So when we multiplied this with 5 one time and 2 more times, it will be a perfect cube because now we have prime factors which are making group of 3. 5 is making a group of 3 and 2 is making a group of 3. So what we need extra is 5 into 2 into 2. So performing the multiplication, 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20. So 20 such cubes, 20 such cuboids will be needed. Okay. Now cube roots. What is the need of cube roots? Okay. Suppose we have a cube of volume 125 centimeter cube. Now we are asked to find out the side of the cube. Now we have to know a number whose cube is 125 to calculate the side of cube because volume is side cube. Okay. So inverse of cubing is cube rooting. Okay. We have a cube of a number. Now we have to calculate the number. Now to do that, we need cube rooting. Okay. Ways to find out cube root. We find out cube root either by prime factorization or by estimation. Okay. By estimation method is for perfect cubes only. Okay. When we know it's a perfect cube, then we can estimate it. Okay. Now let's find out cube of 13824 by prime factorization. Okay. Let's start doing it. Prime factorization. 2, 6, 9, 1, 2. Again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 2, 1, 7, 2, 8. Again 2, 8, 6, 4. Again 2, 4, 3, 2. Again 2, 4, 3, 2 से वापस किया तो 2, 6, oh sorry, 2, 1, 6. Again 2, 1, 0, 8. Again 2, 5, 4. One more time 2, 27. Now 3, 9, 3 again, 3 and 1. Okay. Now write the prime factors in this form. 2 into 2 into 2. We have to write it very carefully. Okay. We don't have to miss anything. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 again, and 2 to 2. Okay. Now 3 into 3 into 3. Now make groups of 3 starting from the left hand side. Now from each group take one number. 2 into 2 into 2, take 1 2. Again take 1 2. From this group also take 1 2, and from this take 3. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, and 8 into 3 is 24. So cube root of 13824 is 24. Okay. Now let's do it with 91125. 91125. Okay. Now for such numbers, I see that अगर 5 है unit place digit में, so I will start with 5 only. I will start dividing the number by 5. Okay. So starting with 5, 1, 41 is 8, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, again 2, and 2, 5, 2, 5. Okay. Now again dividing it by 5, 3, 6, 4, 5. Again by 5, 7, 2, 9. Again by 3, 2, 4, 3. Again 3. We will get 81. Again 3, 27. Again 3, 9. Again 3, 3. Again 3, 1. Now write the prime factors like this: 5 into 5 into 5, and 3 into 3 into 3. Again 3 into 3 into 3. Now make groups of 3 and take one number from each group. 5 into 3 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15, and 15 into 3 is 45. So cube root of 91125 is 45. Okay. Now let's do one more example. 10648. 10648. Doing its prime factorization starting with 2, 5, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 6, 6, 2. Again 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1 is 11. 121, 11, 11, and 1. Okay. So the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 11 into 11 into 11. Make groups of 3. Okay. So 2 into 11 is 22. 2 into 11 is 22. So this is cube of 22. Okay. The cube root of 10648 is 22. Now cube root by estimation. This is the method that can be applied when we know the number is perfect cube. We already know the number is a perfect cube. What we have to do it, we have to take the number and make two groups. Okay, how we will make two groups? We will take last three digits. Okay, and we will put a mark here. Okay, take last three digit and leave the rest of the digit to second group. This is first group and this is second group. Okay, first group and second group. From first group, take the ones digit number. इसका ones digit number लो, ones digit number. उसको देखो वो क्या है. Ones digit number is 1 here. 1 किस में आता है, किसके क्यूब में 1 आता है, 1 के. तो अपना ones place digit हो गया 1. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड ग्रुप को देखो. सेकेंड ग्रुप का जो नंबर है वो किस परफेक्ट क्यूब के बीच में लाई करता है. यहाँ पे तो ये एक परफेक्ट क्यूब ही है. किसका परफेक्ट क्यूब है, 1. 1 इज परफेक्ट क्यूब ऑफ 1, तो इसका क्यूब रूट भी हो जाएगा 1. ओके, सो अपना आंसर यहाँ पे होगा 11. आंसर इज 11. फर्स्ट ग्रुप से मिली अपन को वंस डिजिट, सेकेंड ग्रुप से मिली अपन को टेंस प्लेस डिजिट. सो द आंसर इज 133. 1 का क्यूब रूट है 11. एक और एग्जाम्पल करते हैं, उससे शायद और अच्छे से समझ में आए. 4913. लास्ट थ्री डिजिट लेके एक ग्रुप बना दिया. ठीक है, अब इस 913 में वंस प्लेस डिजिट क्या है, वंस प्लेस डिजिट इज 3. 3 किसके क्यूब में आता है, 7 के क्यूब में आता है ना. 7 का क्यूब क्या होता है, 343. तो अपनी वंस प्लेस डिजिट हो गई 7. ठीक है, अब देखो 4 को. 4 किसके क्यूब के बीच में लाई करता है, 1 क्यूब और 2 क्यूब के बीच में. 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. 4 lies between them. So, अपन लेंगे the smaller number. जिनके बीच में lie करता है उसमें जो smaller number है उसको लेना है अपन को. तो smaller number क्या है, 1. So, the tens place digit will be 1. So, 4913 का क्यूब रूट होगा 17. ओके, इजी है ना. अपन इसको मेंटली भी कर सकते हैं. 167 फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये देखो 1677 किसके परफेक्ट क्यूब में आता है, 3 के परफेक्ट क्यूब में आता है. 3 का क्यूब क्या होता है, 27. सो वंस प्लेस डिजिट तो मिल गई 3. अब 12 को देखो, 12 कहाँ पे लाई करता है, 2 क्यूब इज 8 एंड 3 क्यूब इज 27. इन दोनों के बीच में लाई करता है ना. 12 इन दोनों के बीच में लाई करता है, तो अपन लेंगे स्मॉलर नंबर दैट इज 2. सो अपनी टेंस प्लेस डिजिट इज 2. 12167 का क्यूब रूट है 23. करेक्ट. नाउ 32768. take the last three digits, 768 ending with 8. 2 cube is 8, ends with 8. So one's digit is 2. 32. 32 किसके किसके क्यूब के बीच में लाई करेगा, 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64. So it lies between 3 and 4 cube. We'll take the smaller number, that is 3. So the answer is 32. 32768 का क्यूब रूट होगा 32. Okay. Now, this is from my side, cube and cube roots chapter. If you have any query, you can post your questions If you have any query, you can post your questions in comment section, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel Seldom India Classes. This is me Harshita Jain signing off. Bye bye.